Hi everyone, Betty with Betty's Creative Boutique. Oh my gosh, it's wonderful to see you all back again. I am going to show you an easy craft. It's one you can do with the kids, but of course you need to do it under supervision because we will be using a hot glue gun and some Mop and Glow, and we don't want anybody getting hurt or drinking Mop and Glow. we don't want any craziness going on. All right, so this one is a little ornament video, and hopefully since it's we have a couple weeks till Christmas, you guys will be able to use your ornaments on the Christmas tree. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is a little round ornament like this. It's like this kind. I bought these from, let's see, Michael's, and they were on the clearance rack. I'm really good about doing sales and bargains. Okay, so this was $3 and there were two of them. And I have them both here because we're going to do them both today. And then I bought another box and it was missing one of them. And I bought that one and it also was $3 and there were three big giant ones in there. We're just going to do one of them. I pulled it out of the box. All right, so I'm going to start with the first one. So what we're going to do, it's kind of unusual. We're going to use Mop and Glow. We're going to use green glitter. And then I'll show you how to decorate it after that. So what you want to do is just pull the top off of your ornament and set it to the side. We're going to take the Mop and Glow. You're going to love this. It's so simple and the kids will love it because they can do it. You just pour the Mop and Glow inside. And you know, I always forget to grab something. I'm going to go grab a little bowl, a bowl that doesn't matter to me anymore. I use this a lot of times when we're doing our video here. So I'm gonna just put this here because what we're gonna do is swish this around in here. You know, you wanna put your finger over the hole and kind of swish it. Make sure the Mop and Glow hits all the different parts of your glass. So we're flipping it around everywhere. And then you're gonna dump the extra Mop and Glow out. And I have a little rag here to wipe my thumb off. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your glitter. Let's see, I probably should have had these open ahead of time. Okay, so I need to open my glitter because this one's a new one. I decided to use green. You can use any color you want. I'm just gonna show you a couple examples. Okay, so now what I wanna do is dump a little more out maybe. I'm gonna take and I'm gonna dump a bunch of glitter in here. Okay, and then we're gonna shake it around in here. We might have to add more. I'm just starting with a kind of a good amount. We're gonna dump more in. And then we're gonna do each side. We're gonna make sure it gets coated on each side. Now, as long as you make it coated as well as you can, it's gonna be really pretty. Okay, so we're coating all sides. Just tip it different ways and make sure wherever you don't have it, you can always put your finger over and kind of shake it up to the top. I think we got this one pretty good. I think I'm gonna open this up again. And we can maybe just dump, you can maybe dump your excess right back in here. Okay, so here's how it looks so far. It's just all green and glittery. All right, then you're gonna take the top and you're gonna stick the top right back on here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. It's another beautiful day in Northwest Indiana. It's sunny out. My husband was able to take a little break from work and he went to take the dogs for a walk. So the doggies are happy, the hubby's happy. Okay, so now we're gonna decorate it. Now, I save these whenever, from whatever. They're like garland strands, but you also, the first ones I've made of these, I did them with necklaces that I had gotten for free at like parties and stuff. So we're gonna just take that and we're gonna take and wrap it around the top here. See how cute that's gonna look? And we're gonna take our glue gun and start with, we'll start on the side because that doesn't show as much, just in case for some reason it's a little uneven or who knows, for whatever reason. We're just gonna start on the side, put our first bead there, And then we're just gonna go around it and just periodically put a little bit of glue. And then we're gonna just stick our beads around as we go. And then we're gonna do it again until we're all the way around. Okay. And then at the very end here, I think I'm just gonna put a little glob here. Okay. Put it around. And then you're just gonna take your scissors and you're gonna cut it off at the very end. This is the kind of craft that anybody in the world can do. It's really simple. So see how pretty that is already? Okay, now we're gonna, oh, I spilled my glitter. Now we are gonna take, I decided on doing a green ribbon. You can do white, you can do red, you can do something like this silver here. You could even put the silver around the middle if you like that better, or you can hang it with the silver. I'm gonna do green. I don't know, I just felt like I wanted it really Christmassy looking. And all I'm gonna do is put it through the little hole here. And then you make it as big as you want, like as long as you want. If you like it to hang really long on your Christmas tree, make it longer. If you want it to hang short on the Christmas tree, make it shorter. I like it about to here, I think, because I like to do it without using a hook on the tree. I just hang the ribbon right over the tree. So we're gonna cut it off here, and then I'm gonna show you a couple more examples. I like to make it so that the ribbon is even, like not twisted at all before I tie it, so it's real straight like that. I'm a little fanatic about some of these things. I like things straight, and I mean, unless it comes to flowers, I like those kind of wild, as we've talked about on one of my other videos. Okay, so this one is done. I will show you other ways later on. I mean, we don't have a lot to do, but I'll show you other ways later on to decorate it. But there's our first one. I'm gonna set it to the side. This one reminds me kind of the Grinch, green and red, and I don't know, it just does. In fact, you could, if you have a Cricut, you can make a face of the Grinch and put it on your green here, and it would look like a Grinch ornament. Very cute. Okay, so next we're gonna do the white and red, I think. So we'll do the round ornament. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna just take the top off. What did I do with my glitter? I'm gonna close this one up so it doesn't get spilled again. We're gonna open this one up. All right, grab our Mop and Glow, and off we go. It's such a simple one, and I'm really excited about showing you it because it gives you guys something to do with the kids that's fast and easy. And if you get a 6 or a 12 pack of ornaments and there's 2 or 3 of you doing it, just be a little fast, cute little thing to do in the middle of the day. And you can do a little more to it than what I'm doing. I'll show you a couple things. But this one I'm going to do like the other one. I'm just going to show you it in another color. We're going to do the white. So I'm just going to pour the white in here. I'm going to put my finger over the hole, and I'm just going to shake it all different ways. And yet I'm kind of trying to do it a little quickly. I don't think the Mop and Glow dries that fast, so I think you're okay. It's a really cool little thing. I'm just going to go around it a couple times. And honestly, because it all looks loose in there still, I'm just going to dump it right back in there. We'll use it for another thing. So that's what we have so far. We're going to take the top on. We're going to put it right back on. And the last one will be a little more different. This is our second to last. And then I have a couple examples to show you also. But now this one, I thought we would do the same thing. I have the beads here. I actually have a little one of beads. But I do also have green beads. And then I also want to show you the silver on it. The silver with the silver is really pretty too. You see how pretty that would be too? But I'm going to do it with green. Right. And I think I'm going to use this little piece I have left over. See if I can kind of use that up. Alright, I've made these for a long time. I don't know, I just really like them. I have them all over my tree. I brought a couple examples for when we're done that I can just show you. All right. So now we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut the excess off again. You want it to come all the way around though, but you're just going to cut the excess. So now we're going to put a last little piece of glue in there. So now we've got the green, okay? So now you could do, and like I have a red cord here. It's more of a cord. Okay, and then I have a real pretty shiny red ribbon. You can do either one. I have a green cord, but since we just did the green over there, I'm not gonna do green. I'm gonna do the shiny red ribbon. And I'm gonna do the same thing I did. And this is shinier on one side than the other, so that's the side I'm gonna have showing on each side here. And I'm gonna make mine about the same size, but remember you can do different sizes. I'm gonna shorten it just a tiny more. Just cut it off and just tie it in a knot. Now remember, you can do different things on these and decorate them up. But I like them plain. They look so elegant. I mean, I like doing other stuff with them too, but it's so pretty and so elegant. And if there's any glue hanging, just pull it off. They just kind of like to hang on a little bit. But that's our second one. So now we have these two. Okay. I just think they're so, so pretty. So you also can do a little bit different. Let me show you what I'm thinking. I've not made a country looking one before, but I thought we could do that. One that looks a little more country-ish, because not everybody likes the fancy glitter. Well, it'll be glittery, but not everybody likes the fancy shiny stuff. So I'm just gonna move this stuff to the side. I'm so glad you all are here. I'm glad my channel is growing. It's slowly growing, but it is growing, and I'm very happy. So now I'm gonna grab this last one, throw that to the side, we'll throw the silver over, and we're gonna take the top off once again. And we're gonna take our Mopping Glow. Do you see how simple this is? I hope you guys like it. We're gonna just pour our Mopping Glow in, and of course you don't need this big, huge Mopping Glow. I don't know, I think one day I asked my husband to pick Mopping Glow. We do use it on our floor. We have like a laminate floor, so we do use it on our floor, but I asked him to pick up Mopping Glow and he really got us a big one. All right, so you just shake it around again, dump it out. I probably put too much in there for considering we're dumping it out. Okay, so this one I was gonna do red. I picked all Christmas colors because of course it's that time of year. You can do whatever colors you want. I'll show you some of my other examples that I've made in the past. They're not all Christmas. Ooh, I shouldn't have probably taken the top off of this one. All right, I'm gonna throw a little more in there. All right, so now I'm gonna cover it with my finger and I'm gonna shake it on both sides. And then if it's not enough, we're gonna add more. So it's getting glittery on us, guys. It's looking good. Getting so prepared for Christmas, trying to get ahead of myself. I love these ornaments. I hope you love them. All right, I'm going to dump the excess out. There really wasn't too much excess in there this time. Shake it around a little more. Okay, so now we're going to put the top back on. And now to make it look a little more maybe country-ish maybe, or some people like that black and white and black and red check stuff. So I bought a ribbon like that, and I thought we could maybe go around it with the ribbon. The thing I hadn't thought about is if we want to make a bow. I wasn't going to, but I guess we could make a bow. I don't know, what do you guys think? So here's my thoughts. I thought we could either go around like this and then hang it with some of the twine, or we could go around like this, hang it with the black, or we could go around and make a little bow with the black, which is what I think I'm gonna do. So we're gonna go around, we're gonna make it big enough to make a little bow, because then it'll make it a little different than all the other ones. So we're just gonna make a regular little bow like if you were tying your shoe. Just only we'll do it with the bunny ears because that'll make it more of an even bow. You know, I think I'm gonna tie a knot first so that it doesn't try to come untied on me. I think that'll work best. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little bow. And then I'll lift it up and show you what I have. Now I've not done this before, honestly. This is different. So I'm not sure how it would be. And then I always just try to shape it the right way once it's on. Sometimes it's hard to get it to go the way you want it. I'll show you what I do have though. Oh. Alright. It's just a little black bow. That's what I have. Just a little black bow. And then I thought we could hang it with this. So you have the black, white, and red. So you got that. So this one, since it's a little thicker, I'm going to make it a little bigger because a little tiny bit longer. And then I'm going to knot it up here. Okay, let me try that again. It didn't want to knot like I wanted it to, so we'll do it again. And I'm trying not to make it turn as I'm tying it. I'm trying to keep it kind of neatly tie it. And then I kind of wanted to, for some reason, I don't know why I thought it might be cute if that was sticking out on the top. So that's what we have. That's cute too. Okay, so then you can always decorate it. And what I mean by that, so let me show you my examples. Here we go. This is what we made today. And then I'm going to show you what I had on my tree. So this is what we just made. Okay, so now, so the ribbons I got from like Hobby Lobby and Michael's over the years. This one I just recently got at, where did I go? Michael's, and it was a 2-pack, and it had this and honestly this and this, they came together. It was very cute. Okay, so here's my other examples. See, you can do it where it's not the traditional colors. I thought this was really pretty. It's my favorite color. I love purple. I love purple, I love red. You probably think red's my favorite color because I've been wearing red every time I do a video lately, but it's because of Christmas. I'm one of those people, I have to look like the season. It's kind of silly. There's another one. Okay, and then here's another cute idea. So my husband loves the baseball team, the San Francisco Giants. And so I did it in their colors, and then I used my paint and a little paintbrush and I wrote Giants on it. And then he likes the Sharks for hockey, and so I did a Sharks. I just painted it on there. I did a Sharks. I had this ribbon with a little bit of lines in it, and I thought that was really cute. And I did do a 49er one, but it's on the tree, and for some reason I couldn't find it before I did this video. So I hope you guys like this craft. It was a nice simple one. After the couple of long ones I put on, I thought I'd give everybody a break and give them something a little bit light, fun, and easy to do. And maybe you can do it with the kiddos while you guys are getting ready for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe so that you can keep getting me coming back every week. And hopefully I'll see you again next time. Have a great, great day, and see you next time. Bye.